Hello everyone, my name is Professor Mukherjee and today we will be talking about what is a good doctoral research problem. A good doctoral research problem is not just an interesting topic but a theoretically motivated puzzle that contributes to managerial decision making. A strong research problem has four defining characteristics. First, it is grounded in a clear theoretical gap. The problem emerges from inconsistency or incompleteness in existing theories. Second, it addresses an issue with applications or implications in the real world, shaping how firms compete, how consumers decide, or how institutions function. Third, the research problem should study the underlying mechanism. The goal is not to just show that X affects Y, but to explain why, when, and through what processes the effects occur. Fourth, the problem must be empirically feasible to study. In short, a good doctoral research problem asks a precise theory-driven question about an important real-world phenomena, generates generalizable insights, and explains the underlying processes.